Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that has piqued the interest of collectors and coin enthusiasts alike, the Beatrix Potter 50p coin error. If you're curious about what makes this coin so special and the details surrounding the error, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step and explore everything you need to know. Step 1. Understanding the Beatrix Potter 50p coin. The Beatrix Potter 50p coin was released in 2016 to celebrate the beloved children's author and her iconic characters. These coins are part of a larger series featuring various characters from Potter's tales, such as Peter Rabbit and Jemima Puddle Duck. Initially, they sparked a great deal of interest among collectors, thanks to their limited mintage and nostalgic appeal. Step 2. Identifying the error. The infamous error coin from the series is known for its misprints or minting mistakes. One particular type features a misalignment in the design or incorrect engraving on one side of the coin. While errors are often seen as unfortunate occurrences, they can significantly increase a coin's value in the collector's market due to their rarity. Step 3. The search for error. Coins. Finding a Beatrix Potter 50p coin with errors isn't an easy task. Coins are usually circulated, making it challenging for collectors to spot an error. It's crucial to know what to look for. Examine the coin closely for any obvious discrepancies in design, lettering, or alignment. A good practice is to compare suspected error coins with standard editions. Step 4. Valuation and market trends. If you happen to find a Beatrix Potter 50p error coin, you'll want to know its value. An error coin can sell for a premium, sometimes fetching hundreds of pounds depending on the severity of the error and the demand in the market. Keep an eye on auction sites and collector communities to get a sense of current market trends and prices. Step 5. Where to learn more. To expand your knowledge about coin errors, consider joining online forums, attending coin fairs, or following reputable coin collecting blogs and YouTube channels. Collectors often share tips and insights about spotting errors, and you'll find a community eager to help. Closing thoughts. The Beatrix Potter 50p coin error is just one example of the fascinating world of coin collecting. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a newcomer, understanding the story behind these coins can enhance your collecting experience. Make sure to keep your eyes peeled and always be on the lookout for unique finds. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content about coins and collecting. Happy hunting!